I've seen Kunjaswami in my younger days, childhood I have seen, who was with Ramana Maharshi for 30, from 1920 to 1950. 30 years he was with Maharshi. So when some famous person came to Kunjaswami, that is a very touching incident, because Kunjaswami was at that time 90 years old. And this person is a very famous person. He came to ashram after 10:30 night, 11 o'clock night. And he came and had contact with ashram management, and he said, I want to meet Kunjaswami who was with Ramana Bhagavan. Because he is very famous, so he could not come in the daytime. That people will crowd around him. So from his side it was all right, but he was coming to meet a very old person, very old saint. So that he was not at that time considering, but he came night 10:30 or 11, and this devotee went and said, Swami, somebody has come to see you. He was awake, very alert, sat there, and he did namaskar. This person did namaskar. Kunjaswami said, don't do namaskar. Namaskar is all for Bhagavan. He said, no, you have seen Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi. And the answer was so startling to me. Then only this mantra revealed. You know what he said? See, I have not seen Ramana Maharshi. He is not something which can be seen by the eyes. It was very spontaneously he said, I have never seen, nobody has seen him, and he is not something which can be seen. He just said that very naturally, spontaneously. See, to see the Guru as something which cannot be seen is the real seeing. Pashyannapi cha na pashyati mudaha. When we say, in Bhagavatam, it's a beautiful verse. In Bhagavatam, Pashyantopi na pashyanti, Pashyantam Parameshwaram. They always see, but they don't see the seer. And the seer is the Parameshwara. And the real master, he makes you abide in the seer. He makes you get a glimpse of the seer. And then you recognize master is not the body. He is the pure spirit. He is the pure Brahmavastu. So that kind of vision, you are over. Then it comes the real disciplehood. Master, Guru, difference is gone. Na Shasta, na Shastram, na Shishyo, na Shiksha, na Chatvam, na Chaham, na Chayam Prapanchaha. Swarupavabodho Vikalpa Asahishnuhu Tadego Vashishta Shivah Kevaloham. Neither the teacher nor the taught, no teaching, no world, no I, no you, only pure awareness. That pure Shivam alone is. And what is Shiva? What is Shivanubhava? So that Shivanubhava is being transmitted, given through traditions, through parampara, through innumerable parampara, which has begun from Sadashiva, has reached our master, and through him it has come to us.